Yeah, bro, I'm talking to you. Do you have some money saved up in your pocket or in the bank? And are you losing sleep at night thinking about where to keep it? I understand you. Money is like that thing. When it's in your pocket, it itches your hand. And when it's in the bank, you feel like rats are gonna eat it up. In the morning, your uncle is spitting pan and says, "Son, just buy land. Land is pure gold. Its price only goes up, never down." Then in the evening, you sit at a tea stall and your friend says, "Forget land, too many legal issues. Just buy gold. Gold is the real friend in tough times." Now you're stuck in the middle of the ocean, confused. Land on one side, gold on the other. So what should you do? Should you bury your money in the ground or lock it in a safe and wait for thieves? Relax, don't stress. Today in this video, we're going to referee this war between land versus gold. We'll see who can make you a king in the long run and who can turn you broke and put you on the street. Watch till the end because I'll reveal a secret formula that even your uncle or that wise neighbor doesn't know. So grab some popcorn, buckle your seatbelt, and let's begin this investment war. In the investment world, people usually choose two things first: real estate, land or property, and gold. As Bengalis, we grow up hearing land and gold never fail. But is that still true today? Or is there a hidden trap in that belief? Let's start with our first competitor, gold. Gold is emotion for people, especially in our culture. It's not just metal, it's pride, status, and family honor. Wedding, you need gold. Gifts, gold. Keeping your wife happy, gold. But the biggest advantage of gold is liquidity. Liquidity means how fast you can turn something into cash. Imagine it's 3 a.m. and you urgently need money. Can you sell a piece of your land overnight? No, but gold, you can take it to a shop in the morning and get cash instantly. Gold is your emergency friend who never betrays you. Second, gold protects against inflation. Inflation is that silent thief that reduces the value of your money. When prices of rice, oil, and everything go up, money loses value, but gold goes up too. So gold protects your wealth like an umbrella in the rain. But wait, is everything perfect? No. Gold has big problems too. First is security. Keeping gold at home is like sleeping with a bomb tied to your chest. Theft risk is always there. You might think, I'll keep it in a bank locker, but even that costs yearly fees. And when you buy jewelry, you pay making charges. When you sell it, the shopkeeper checks it and says, there's impurity, you'll get 20% less. So you buy high and sell low. Gold also gives you no passive income, no rent, no dividend. It just sits there. Now let's move to the heavyweight competitor, land. In our society, the more land you own, the more respect you get. People say, he's a landowner. Land's biggest advantage is capital appreciation. Over time, land prices can skyrocket. Especially if a road or metro project comes nearby, you can become rich overnight. You sleep poor, wake up rich. You can also earn rent from property. That's passive income, money coming while you sleep. But again, there's a dark side. First problem, high entry barrier. You need a huge amount of money to buy land. It's not something small savings can handle. Second, legal issues. Land buying is basically a war. You buy one plot and later find out 5 people claim ownership. Court cases, lawyers, headaches, it never ends. There's a saying, land gives you ego, but court cases give you headaches. Another problem, liquidity. You can't sell land quickly. It takes time, negotiation, paperwork, and brokers. So you can be asset rich, but cash poor. You might own crores in land, but not have money for tea. Now, let's do some math, because emotions don't build wealth, logic does. The biggest enemy of investing is inflation. 10 years ago, $1,000 could fill your shopping cart. Today, it barely buys anything. If you bought gold 10 years ago, it would have multiplied many times today. Historically, land also beats gold in the long run. But land moves slowly, gold moves steadily. Gold is like a fast rescue in emergencies. Land is like a long marathon. Another hidden cost is maintenance. Gold needs nothing. No care, no maintenance. But land or property, taxes, maintenance, security, repairs, constant expenses. Empty land even needs fencing and guards. If you're careless, costs can pile up more than benefits. But things are changing. Smart investors now buy digital gold or gold bonds. No theft risk, no making charges, and sometimes even interest income. Yes, gold can actually earn you money now. And for land, people invest in real estate stocks or REITs instead of buying full property. Now, let me tell you the secret formula I promised. It's the don't put all your eggs in one basket rule. If you put all your money in land and suddenly you need emergency cash, you'll suffer. If you put all your money in gold and there's a theft, you're finished. So what's the best strategy? Balance. If you're young, energetic, and don't need money for 10 to 12 years, go heavy on land. It gives higher long-term returns. Land is like a test match, slow but powerful. But if you're older or need money in 2 to 3 years for education, marriage, emergencies, gold is better. Gold is like a T20 match. Fast cash, quick safety. Best strategy? Mix both. Example, 50% in land or property, 30% in gold or gold bonds, 20% in cash or business. That's a smart investor. Don't just follow your uncle blindly. Think for yourself. At the end of the day, don't waste money on useless luxury or show-off gadgets, because flexing for 2 days won't matter if your pocket is empty. If your pocket is full, the world respects you. If your pocket is empty, even your shadow won't stay with you. If this video helped clear your mind even a little, hit the like button. Share it with that friend who keeps saying, I'll buy land, but never actually saves money. And don't forget to subscribe, because here, we don't just give knowledge, we also give entertainment for free. See you in the next video. Until then, invest smart, stay safe, goodbye.